Hey guys, it's Jason here with Grand Teton Harley Davidson. Today we're going to be working on this brand new Sportster S. We're going to be installing all of the accessories that Harley makes for it. Let's get started, see where it goes. So the first thing we did, this bike came in with forward controls. The customer realized they needed a little shorter reach, so we installed the new mid-mount control on. We also installed the Wild One collection. So with the mid-mounts, we installed the brake lever with the Wild One, and then we also installed the shifter peg to match. The clutch medallion, clutch CVR medallion, and the alternator plug cover. These pieces are actually really cool looking. Machined out black and silver. We've got HDMC on the front. They tie in really nicely with the new brake pedal and the shifter. With that, we also installed the cam sprocket medallions. Now they originally are black, it just says little Harley Davidson on it. When we popped it off, we had a cool surprise with Harley engraved into the bronze cam sprocket covers there. But you know, we put the medallions on from Wild One and it really just ties in with the rest of the covers. So the pegs that we installed are actually from the Empire collection. We chose to run these pegs because you get a little bit bigger foot surface with the rubber on the top, but it still has that machine cut edge, matches perfect with the Wild One collection. We installed an engine guard. It fits really nicely on this bike. It protects the radiator all the way around, really nice piece. The Wild One grips, very nice grip, a little fatter than the stock grip. It's got really nice knurling on them, and it's got kind of an edge cut look that matches the rest of the collection really nicely. Front and rear axle nut covers. Along with that, we also installed the swing arm pivot covers. Gets rid of that silver stock look and all the holes. It just blends in very well. We installed a passenger pylon. It comes with a splash guard that just hangs out off of the back, covers up that rear wheel just a little bit more so you don't get water scattered up your back when it's raining. We also installed the luggage bag that goes on the back with it. Gives you the ability to store extra things, just small stuff that you need to hide when you're riding. All right, so we just finished up our accessory install on this new Sportster S. I'm really pleased, I'm really happy with the way it came out. Hope it gives you some ideas with what you can do with your bike. Thanks for watching.